In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily combine videos on Instagram Reels. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, hit at that plus sign and select Reel. Now you are able to record a short video, so I'm just gonna record 2 seconds video, and then you can continue adding videos to your reel. You can keep recording another videos, or you can right here tap at that icon that opens up videos and photos from your camera roll, and then just select some video from your camera roll. You can then trim it from the start and from the end in that way. Then you can tap on add, and that will add these 3 or 4 seconds to your to the length of your Instagram reel, and then you can continue recording a video. Let me find something. So you can just record another one. Then you can again tap at that icon, and then you can upload another video. You can also trim it if you want. Then hit on add, and in the same way you can continue creating your reel, and once you have finished with that, just hit on next. That's how it works. Then you can add any effects, any stickers, any voiceover or maybe music to that reel, and then you can just share it with your followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.